Minimalist furniture can make a room feel 200% larger instantly. This might sound like an exaggeration, but the impact of minimalist design on our perception of space is truly remarkable. By paring down furniture to the essentials and embracing clean lines, we create a sense of openness and airiness that can transform even the most cramped quarters. Suddenly, walls seem to recede, and we're left with a feeling of expansive calm. Minimalist furniture achieves this effect by minimizing visual clutter. Our eyes are naturally drawn to busy patterns, bright colors, and an abundance of objects. When these distractions are removed, our gaze can flow freely, creating the illusion of a much larger space. The beauty of minimalist design lies in its simplicity. By focusing on fewer pieces, each item in the room can stand out and be appreciated for its own unique qualities. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to a more serene and organized environment. Imagine walking into a room where every piece of furniture has a purpose and nothing feels out of place. This intentionality in design helps to create a harmonious space that feels both functional and beautiful. Another key aspect of minimalist design is the use of neutral colors and natural materials. These elements work together to create a calming atmosphere that can make a room feel more spacious. Light colors, in particular, reflect more light and can make a room appear brighter and larger. Natural materials like wood and stone add warmth and texture without overwhelming the space. The strategic use of mirrors and lighting can also enhance the illusion of space. Mirrors reflect light and can make a room feel more open, while well-placed lighting can highlight the room's best features and create a sense of depth. By combining these elements, minimalist design can transform even the smallest spaces into areas that feel open and inviting. Minimalist furniture achieves this effect by minimizing visual clutter. Our eyes are naturally drawn to busy patterns, bright colors, and an abundance of objects. When these distractions are removed, our gaze can flow freely, creating the illusion of a much larger space. This approach not only makes a room feel bigger, but also promotes a sense of tranquility and order. Our eyes are naturally drawn to busy patterns, bright colors, and an abundance of objects. When these distractions are removed, our gaze can flow freely, creating the illusion of a much larger space. This approach not only makes a room feel bigger, but also promotes a sense of tranquility and order. When these distractions are removed, our gaze can flow freely, creating the illusion of a much larger space. In essence, minimalist design is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space that feels open, calm, and inviting. By focusing on what truly matters and eliminating the unnecessary, we can transform our living spaces into havens of peace and simplicity. Minimalist furniture is characterized by its simplicity, clean lines, and a limited color palette. Gone are the ornate carvings, intricate patterns, and excessive ornamentation that often define traditional furniture styles. Instead, minimalist pieces embrace a sleek and understated aesthetic, prioritizing functionality and form over superfluous decoration. Think straight lines, geometric shapes, and smooth surfaces. Materials like wood, metal, and glass are often favored for their natural beauty and ability to complement the minimalist aesthetic. The color palette is typically neutral, with shades of white, gray, black, and beige dominating. This creates a sense of calm and sophistication, allowing the furniture to blend seamlessly into any space. One of the hallmarks of minimalist furniture is its emphasis on multifunctionality. In a world where space is often at a premium, furniture that can serve multiple purposes is highly prized. Sofa beds, for instance, provide both seating and sleeping arrangements, making them ideal for small apartments or guest rooms. Similarly, expandable dining tables can accommodate both intimate dinners and larger gatherings, eliminating the need for a separate dining room. This focus on multifunctionality not only maximizes space, but also reduces the need for excessive furniture, further contributing to a clutter-free environment. The benefits of minimalist furniture extend far beyond its aesthetic appeal. By reducing clutter and creating a sense of spaciousness, minimalist design promotes a serene and calming environment. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we can relax and recharge after a long day. A cluttered space, on the other hand, can be overwhelming and stressful. It bombards our senses with visual noise, making it difficult to unwind and find peace. Minimalist furniture helps to alleviate this stress by creating a sense of order and tranquility. When our surroundings are free from clutter, our minds are free to relax and focus on what truly matters. While the minimalist aesthetic holds undeniable appeal, it's not without its potential downsides. The allure of clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a sense of order can be very strong. However, this style can sometimes come across as too stark or even cold. One common criticism is that minimalist interiors can sometimes feel cold, stark, and uninviting. The lack of decorative elements and the emphasis on simplicity can make a space feel impersonal and devoid of character. The absence of warm colors, soft textures, and personal touches can create a sense of sterility that some find unappealing. This can be particularly true in spaces that rely heavily on monochromatic color schemes and hard surfaces. It's important to remember that minimalism is not about deprivation or living in a sterile environment. Instead, it's about creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing without unnecessary clutter. It's about being intentional with our choices and surrounding ourselves with things that bring us joy and value. This means that every item in a minimalist space should serve a purpose or bring a sense of happiness. Adding a few carefully chosen accessories such as plants, artwork, or personal mementos can make a significant difference. These elements can inject warmth and personality into a minimalist space. Throw pillows, for example, can add a pop of color and a touch of comfort. Plants can bring a sense of life and vibrancy. Artwork can reflect personal tastes and interests. By thoughtfully incorporating these elements, you can create a minimalist space that feels both inviting and uniquely yours. The cost of minimalist furniture can vary widely, from affordable options to high-end designer pieces. Minimalism, at its core, is about simplicity and functionality, but that doesn't mean it comes without a price. The range of costs can be surprising to many who are new to this lifestyle. Simple, mass-produced furniture can be found for as little as $100, making it accessible for those on a budget. These pieces often come from large retailers who can afford to sell at lower prices due to mass production. On the other hand, handcrafted bespoke pieces can easily cost upwards of $2,000. These items are often made by skilled artisans who put a lot of time and effort into each piece, ensuring that it is unique and of the highest quality. The price is typically determined by factors such as the materials used, the craftsmanship, and the brand reputation. High-quality materials like solid wood or metal combined with expert craftsmanship can significantly drive up the cost. It's important to note that minimalism is not about spending a fortune on expensive furniture. You can achieve a minimalist aesthetic without breaking the bank. The key is to find pieces that offer both style and functionality. It's about investing in quality pieces that are built to last. Durability is a crucial factor in minimalist design, as the goal is to have fewer items that serve multiple purposes and stand the test of time, and that bring you joy. Minimalism is as much about emotional satisfaction as it is about physical space. The right piece of furniture can enhance your living environment and contribute to your overall well-being. Whether you opt for affordable options or splurge on designer pieces, the choice ultimately depends on your personal preferences and financial situation. Both ends of the spectrum have their own set of advantages and can fit into a minimalist lifestyle. The key is to choose furniture that aligns with your values and your budget. By making thoughtful decisions, you can create a minimalist space that is both beautiful and functional without compromising on quality or breaking the bank. Ultimately, the key to successfully incorporating minimalist furniture into your home is to find the right balance between simplicity and warmth, functionality, and aesthetics. It's about creating a space that is both visually appealing and comfortable to live in. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pieces and arrangements until you find what works best for you. Remember, minimalism is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about creating a space that reflects your unique personality and lifestyle. The enduring appeal of minimalist furniture lies in its ability to transform our homes and our lives. By embracing simplicity, we create a sense of calm and order that extends beyond our physical surroundings. We learn to appreciate the beauty of essentialism, letting go of material possessions that no longer serve us. In a world that is often overwhelming and chaotic, minimalist design offers a welcome respite, a sanctuary where we can find peace and clarity. Investing in minimalist furniture is an investment in a timeless aesthetic that will never go out of style. Unlike trendy furniture pieces that quickly become dated, minimalist furniture possesses a classic elegance that transcends passing fads. Its clean lines, neutral colors, and focus on functionality ensure that it will continue to look stylish and relevant for years to come. Whether you're furnishing your first apartment or redesigning your dream home, minimalist furniture offers a versatile and enduring option that will stand the test of time.